open source drug discovery is an alternate model of innovation for neglected diseases. These are diseases without market. Therefore, the traditional model of innovation, which is patent driven and market dependent, does not work in neglected diseases. For example, tuberculosis, which kills almost one person every 20 seconds around the world, has got a global market of only about $400 million, while the industry estimates that the cost of drug discovery is about $800 million. So there is a mismatch, and we need to find alternatives to meet the challenges of drug discovery for these diseases. OSDD is one such model, where a large number of interested researchers collaboratively share, discover, share the data, and collaboratively discover drugs for TB. It is not just discovering a drug, they enhance the scientific knowledge about the bacteria that causes this disease, so that not just OSDD, but the entire world benefit from that drug discovery activity.
Start a new song, evermore. Time to repeat the song, you evermore.
How is it different from traditional mode? In traditional mode, it is patent driven and highly oriented towards the cost. OSDD will be a model that will not be patent driven, but that will be driven towards voluntary participation of a large number of individuals, whether they are researchers or voluntary participation of organizations like publicly funded scientific institutions, hospitals, and others who are interested in participating in clinical trials. Voluntary participation of a large number of institutions interested in developing drugs, as well as participation of for-profit entities at a cost that will be bearable to a process of drug discovery, which will be handled in an open source mode. Chief Mentor of OSDD, Professor Samir Brahmachari, says that when it comes to health, we need to have a balanced view between health as a business and health as a right. Intellectual property rights protects an individual's or a company's private property rights on the knowledge that would lead to development of products or even other cultural artifacts. Patents have been traditionally used in pharmaceutical industry to spur and thrive innovation. However, in the case of neglected diseases, patents are found to be an insufficient tool. Therefore, we need to find mechanisms that would enable the patients to get drugs at their bedside, from the bedside in the lab. Statistics have shown that a large number of patents have been taken against tuberculosis, but none of them have been translated into actual development work because of the lack of market interest. Therefore, we need to create a mechanism which is innovation driven, yet not focused on intellectual property alone, but gives a drug to the patient at the end.
To give you a ray of hope, we shall start a new song forevermore.